Making the decision of becoming a parent is one of the most instrumental in our lives. More often than not, we don't realize how much we really change after we have someone who's completely dependent on us. From teaching them to walk, talk, climb, eat, to the day when they become as tall as us, we embark on this journey of love and dreams. Love, because we see our heart living outside of our body, and dreams because we want them to surpass everything that we did mentally, emotionally, physically, socially, and financially. We want them to be a step ahead of us. We want them not just to touch the sky, but to rule it. But I often wonder if the wings that we give them are strong enough. We do everything that we are told by the society, our own parents, our friends, and the so called experts. We send them to the best of the schools, hobby classes, activities, making them walk on the same road where millions have walked before them. We make them follow all the rules, scoring the right marks, pleasing everyone, basically fitting into whatever model of success the society approves or have adulation for. Because we have been told that if they will follow the advice, they'll get success and will be happy. But as a mother who have seen life, I wonder if that's enough. I wonder if these are all the skills that he would need. If I'm giving him enough skills to navigate the rocky seas of life, and you and I both know how rocky life can become. Every day on social media we hear and see about people who have got all the fame, all the money, all the success, all the power breaking down, going deep into this abyss of unknown. And those who don't know how to deal with uncertainties of life, how to deal with their own thoughts, their own feelings. And I often wonder if, as a parent or as a mother, I can do more. I wonder if, apart from academics, discipline, expectations, marks, or his career, if I have really truly tried to reach out to him, to know who he really is. What are his challenges, his struggles, his fears, his anxieties, his triggers, his nightmares? Do I really know what makes his heart race? What gives him goosebumps? What makes him laugh like crazy? And what gives him joy? I also wonder if I have talked to him about plan B in case he's not able to get through his entrance exam or get enough marks. I wonder if I have told him about feelings and emotions and how they are mighty important, but sometimes feelings are fleeting and emotions are another name of hormones. I wonder if I've told him about the gut feeling and how, if that surges, he should listen. I wonder if I have given him enough skills to nurture relationships, to speak his heart when he needs to be there for his friends, acquaintances, and everyone in between, to know when to stick and when to move on, and also to know that the heart that judges doesn't love. I also ask myself if I have given him enough social skills to know that people around him matter, and that his leadership, interpersonal, or communication skills are not just for him to stand out in a job interview, but also in him reaching out to his friends, family, or colleagues when they need to be heard. I also wonder if I have taught him to trust, to see the goodness in people first. I wonder if I've given him hope. I also wonder if I have told him that all the people he will meet in his life or all the experiences he will go through will make him who he needs to be eventually. and that no matter how much I want to save him from all the possible hurt, like a ship whose true place is in the ocean and not in the harbor, he will have to fight his own battles, learn his lessons, face his fears, and believe in his own convictions. I also wonder if I've told him that life is so much bigger than all the heartaches, hurt, grief, and regrets, and that he doesn't need to prove anything to anyone. And I also wonder if I have given him enough curiosity, enough love for learning, love for journeys, or love for processes, and not just look for results or destinations. I wonder if I have given him enough courage to follow through, to fight his prejudices, or if I have helped him create this inner reservoir of endless energy to draw from. And in the end, and above everything else, I wonder if I have told him that it's he who matters the most, that I love him, and that I love him for who he is today, tomorrow, and forever, and not what he becomes. And no matter what happens, that I'm always there to hold him, and I will always be, to help him, support him, and that I'll be his biggest cheerleader for life. I wonder if I have given him enough skills to navigate through the rocky seas of life. And I want to ask you, have you?